working. Well, hello there, YouTube. I got a new remote. It was like a, oh gosh, the other one I had was a piece of crap, buttons on the side you couldn't push. And this is, everything's on the front, so you can see it recording right there, which is kind of good. Oh, I gotta scratch my nose. But it works much better. I had the Parrot, which was pretty easy. So the new remote should be working much better. Got my thing there says 81 degrees, but I got a wrist. 75 on my watch on the phone. So what a glorious day. I think it's supposed to be like the same way tomorrow, Christmas Day. It's beautiful. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going for a little bit of a ride today. I made breakfast tacos today on the Blackstone. Blackstone makes fantastic eggs. We buy the Whataburger sausage. It's really good. You got to get it like at H-E-B. I think my wife got some. Oh, I went and got some at the last H-E-B I was at it, wherever I was in Ennis. But it's so good. And then we buy the H-E-B like butter tortillas that are really good. We got an H-E-B in Rockwall. So buy those, and I after I clean the griddle off of the sausage, I do the tortillas, and then I turn the griddle completely off because it's already hot, and that's when I do the eggs. About 8 eggs, a little bit of cheese, Velveeta cheese, and salt and pepper, and they cook really fast, but they don't cook too much. But the eggs on the Blackstone are just incredible. Everything's better on the Blackstone. If you don't have one and you like to cook, like they're griddle. It's a griddle, so it makes the best burgers. I make great smash burgers on there. Everybody loves my smash burgers. So I do those all the time, and I kind of use Duke's mayonnaise to toast the buns and put them on the Blackstone and toast them. And then I make like a ball of ground beef. And then I have it a little hot, and I put a little oil on there just so it, because I want to sear the meat, and that's what gives it the great flavor. You sear it. Yeah, go this way. So let's see if I can shut this off. Bye. For some reason it didn't shut off. Recording. Stop. Did. Oh, it didn't shut off. A little bit of a delay. I started it again. So you only need to press it once. I'm going to stop. Bye. Well, here's the Audie Murphy thing. Let's see what it says. Audie Murphy, most decorated soldier in World War II, born 4.5 miles south. Wow, he was 6th of 9 children. He went to school here. Oh, he died in a plane crash. That's weird. So there he is. He's a a war hero. He went to Hollywood and made a bunch of movies. That's pretty cool. Oh, somebody put a wreath there. This is Celeste. Military Order of the Purple Heart. That's awesome. Let's see what else it says up here. Here's some of the movies he made. After the war, he became a successful actor. His most prominent role portraying himself in the film To Hell and Back. His war career autobiography. Died in a plane crash, 1971. I was not quite in high school yet, maybe getting close. Final tribute dedicated to new veterans, San Antonio. Wow, pretty cool. I knew he was a war hero and went to Hollywood and made movies. Bye. Oh, I've been through here before, but this is a cool little town. I actually went over here and shot, I shot baseball over here. Celeste. It's a cool little town right here. Looks like an old west town. Before they had paved roads. Kind of windy out again.